Okay, so there we go, welcome back. Something a little bit different this weekend. Last weekend at Goodwood we were trying to go as fast as we can. This weekend we're just trying to get there. So lovely lot of cars here, probably about, I think there's nearly 70 cars, and let's go and have a good day.
Yeah, of course.
All right. So we're just on the off now, and to avoid bunching up and make it easier for modern cars, we set ourselves off at intervals of a couple of minutes. So we're just waiting now. We've got two more in front of us, and then we're off. Woo! There we go, we're made to the coffee stop. Car went well, and yes, as you see, everyone else did as well. So onto the lunch stop.
The most common instruction on it was
I'll send you a photograph.
There we go, we've made it to the coffee stop. We're in one of the university colleges in Cambridge, so the car's going well, although it's emptied all its oil out of its oiler, so we'll have to just shut that down a little bit, but we'll wait until after lunch and well, it's cooled down, so it's all good. Okay, so there we go. That's the Creepy Crawly Rally for another year. Today we've come over to Duxford and had a good turnout of cars. Nice little route. And so thanks for watching. See you next time. And remember, how hard can it be?
Mm-hmm.